adapter option as your system applies. So internet. IPv4. So you put your default IP plus 1 or 2 as 192.168.100.3. Yeah, 255.255.0. Okay. I just have to change this to 2 and use it. Yes. Right. Close this. Don't need it. So minimize this. Now you don't input your default IP, which is 192.168.100.1. Enter. So at first, this is what you get. And your password, your username is initial. Then for the sake of clarity, the password is admin. So here we are. We have small letter admin. Okay. And paste and sign in. Okay, now you accept. So this is what it will give you. You are logging into UBT for the first time. To take like some moments before it comes up proper. So here we are. This is what it will give you as the first page. So if you can notice on the market type, we have ANSI, which is American standard, which we are not using. We are using European standard. So we just switch this, click one due to whatever, then apply. If you have this on, maybe you've configured you've done your configuration already, you've done everything, and you discover that you forgot to do this, you have to, once you do it, it will return the system back to the factory reset. You just have to redo the configuration once it's done. So now market type successfully changed on the NE. Now it will take a while before it comes up. If you relog into the system now, try to refresh the page now, or click on anything, it will tell you it will shut down the UBT and restart again. So you will have to wait. See, it cannot be reachable again, so you will have to wait until it's available again. If you refresh again, still the same thing. Guess it's gonna take like 3 to 4 minutes before it actually comes up proper. I think it's coming up. Now it's up. So we have initial, admin like we used it the first time. So we are in again, but this time on a European standard. So now it will prompt you to always, the new software now will prompt you to change this default password. So all you need to do is just to type in, this is a Nokia, this is a standard Nokia password for a new link. So you just input it, Nokia 123. Check it again, Nokia 123 exclamation mark, then you apply, If it is correct, it will accept it and allow you in. Good, it's loading up now. So here we are. So the password has been changed successfully. So the first thing, you can see we are now on European standard. So you can edit your any network elements. Have this link is 0029 direction 020. The address, this is Okupa. And you apply. And the next thing you do, that's the system settings. You go to your time and date. Alright. Go to your software. These versions are not the versions being used currently, software versions. So you load up the new software, the new versions, like I have here on my system. Version 8.9.9D. You download. It will take some seconds. Yeah, so it says the software package download is in progress. You will see the new package detail as soon as the download is complete. So we go to networking. While your software is downloading, you can as well use the opportunity to quickly change the IP. So the planned IP for this link is 10.208.106. The subnet mask is 248. Your gateway is 110. So before you click on apply, you first screenshot. You save the screenshot. Save the print screen. Should in case you typed something you are not cognizant of and it's deny you access to the UBT later on, you can quickly refer to this is the screenshots I've saved so far, and I'm adding up this to it. So that is it. I can easily refer to it from here if I need any help. So now I can apply. So it can't actually allow me log in anymore because I've changed the software. My system is on another. I've changed the IP. My system is on a different IP class. So what I need to do now is to change the IP of my system. To the same class with the one that I just configured for the UBT now. So we have 10.208.178. Now this UBT is 106, so we use 107.255.255.255.248. You apply. Okay, I have an error here, 255. So okay. So now what we do is we log in with a new password with the new IP 10.208.178.106. Remember we configured 106. So because I've been using these IPs on this particular browser, that is why it's giving me all these things directly. If not, it should tell me not secure and then asking me to permit or allow user. So our username is initial, and it has to be in small letter. Initial. And our password, remembered, we use Nokia 123. Just paste, sign in. If truly the password is correct, it will allow us in. So now we have accept. We have to accept money. Can close this, we no longer need it. So here we are. Remember we were under administration and networking before. So I'm trying to make sure the heading here doesn't move up and down when I scroll up and down. So now we actually did networking there. So what the next thing we configure is the trusted manager that allows the back office to be able to reach our. So we configure like this. We have 10.236.192.1. Then our port is 162. Right? Again, 10.236.192.17.162. Enter. again 10.236.192.33.162 UDP port. Enter. And the last one 10.236.190.49.162. Enter. So that is that about that. So we'll go to the next stage where we'll have our monitoring and maintenance. So here with the radio comes with the TS mute turned off, turned on, meaning when the TS mute is on, that means it cannot transmit. But when we'll have to turn it off so that it can transmit and see the other side. So it's on here, we have to turn it off. It's asking you disable TS mute on radio, direct to 1, channel 1. Yes, apply. So this is where you check your receive level, your transmit and receive level. Just click on this as radio dashboard summary. So here it will give you the details of your current modulation, your TS capacity in megabyte per second, and your TS power in megabyte per second, and the RX power in dBm, alarms, and receive level, radio signal level history. So here we've not configured it, that's why it's giving us these values. So let's proceed to configure. Go to interface. So here at the interface, we go to radio interface, directory 1. We have only directory 1 because this is UBTS. UBTS has just a single pole, unlike UBTT that has a twin pole. That's why it's called UBTT. UBTS, that's UBT single pole, and UBTT is a UBT twin pole, bipolar. Meaning on bipolar we have horizontal and vertical transmitting concurrently, while on UBTS we have just a single pole. If you're asked to transmit on vertical, you have to set it to vertical. If you're asked to transmit on horizontal, you have to set it to horizontal. So we want to name our link as Ondo 0029, direction Ondo 0820. So now we click on this plus to open up all the, so this is the capacity it can transmit is 10 gigabyte per second. So here we set our modulation based on the link budget. We have 28 at 128, and we're using standard. Since it is not a dual pole, we only use S-peak for dual pole. So here we have 196 according to the link budget, and here we are using 7429 as our S confirm. Okay, 7 gig at okay, it's still correct. 7429. That's the frequency spectrum range we are using for this particular. So 7429 at a TX power, transmitting power of 25.1. This one is 25.1 dBm. Apply. At the configure, I'm not saying I new. Let's try. I'll go need to go up. If I don't check on like this, I'll go up, go turn out. If I see anything, yeah. So if I go up, go turn out like that. If I see anything, I'll set up for where I see something. And go the other side, go turn that one, see. Though I don't ask me person go there, maybe go and me check something, sir.
For side there?
For the other side.
Okay, let's go there.
Yeah, I'll send someone there. So configure your standard ports. Okay. Right. So now let's see, the other side is already transmitting. Let's see if we have anything from this end. We are receiving anything from this end. So I'm going to check the, we still have alarms. Okay, so let me check. You will notice some changes here now. At first we were having different values. So here we're going to be having reasonable value. Okay, we have 96. These are RSL and TS power. Okay, I'm 96. So here we now go for alignment. Check if we can get this value reduced and establish a link. So as for configuration, let's check how far our software has been, how far it has gone. It's already complete. Software package management. So wow, good. This is, here we are. So we have this as this is the software I just loaded. So you first activate. So you ask you this, you just ask it to go ahead. If you activate the software, load it, and shut down the system, it will make this software to come down here and shift this particular one up here, thereby forcing this one out of operation and putting this one into operation. Then after that is done, this UBT will shut down and restart. By the time it comes up and we log in again, we will have this to be up here and this to be down here, and after that we'll load up the standby version, which is this again, so that we will have the same software version on both active and standby, and that's all. Then we go for alignment. You can see it's down now, so I'm waiting for it to come up. Boss, will we carry those stairs within here along? Just like AIM and UBT. Back to Lagos. No wala. I'll tell her. Okay, if you notice in the first place while we were configuring, this was not there while we were still on the former software version, but now we have it here. And there are some other little features you will see after loading the new software that were not there while we were using the old the default software that comes with the hello sir. Fine sir, I just finished configuration now. They go back up now, go start alignment. Yes yes sir. Yes, it's on. I even sent someone there to, so the person will on it and off it and see if I can see anything. Yes sir. Alright sir. You can see what I was saying. This is the new software I just loaded, and this is the old one that was active before. Now what I need to do is just to load, force out this particular one and replace it with the new software, which is LID. So have it like this, download. Bro, Alpha. Yeah, Alpha, you go fear me go there now. Actually, I don't get a number. If you reach there, just flash me. I'll call you so that I go speak with them. Thank you. So and to check what you have. So that is all. That is this. That is it. After your alignment, then you have this one. If the alignment is okay and you have the link established, you have this one to be 20.25.1, 25/25.1. That means local and remote are visible. Then here as well, this will reduce to a very minimal and to the planned RSL, and this one also you will be having it because you are having. If you have anything that makes you to have this, you definitely have this, except there's something else. So we have everything in place now. Once alignment is done, we should have a better value and have our link established. That will be all for now. Thank you all. Thank you so much.